Click Rick, what is up? Yo, Luis, Discipline Trader, what is up? What is up? What is up? Can you guys hear me all right? Slick Rick the Ruler. Awesome. Sounds good. All right, good. Sweet, sweet. Yo, Peter. Sorry, my phone is making sure it's me while I'm trying to sign into my YouTube. So I'm traveling. Bear with you guys. I'm just trying to get set up. I'm a little, when you don't have your normal setup, it's a little bit cumbersome to try to get this rocking here. There we go. We are good now. Should be good. There. Corey, what is up? Yeah, I'm early, a little early. Harris, what's going on? Corey. TVT didn't accept the code when I entered it, so it charged me 170. Which code? It's Pine with all caps. Pine with all caps. Yo, what's going on? Newts, what's going on? Did I change it? Yeah, I kind of change it up sometimes. Oh, nice, Corey. Awesome. Appreciate that. Yeah. 91% off Bulenox right now. Appreciate the support, man. I am in Florida, feline, and it is pouring rain. Have I ever trade fair value gap strategies? No, not really. I mean, I pay attention to that stuff, but yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, you'll get the credit if you say, yeah, it should be working. Yeah, Pine all caps would take profit trader. It'll just say like because it's case sensitive. So, oh yeah, no, it's all good. Newts. Yeah. Plus, I'm on my laptop, so I only have like this one thumbnail on there right now. Yo, George, what is up? How'd you guys do Friday? Friday, I beat up my top one accounts a little bit, but everything else finished pretty much green, so wasn't too bad of a day. I pretty much broke even on my Take Profit Trader Pro account, the 150K. Pretty much broke even on that. Yo, Ishmi, what is up? Smash that like button if you're coming in. I was traveling all day today, a little tired, but I'm ready. Got about 3 minutes before the market opens here. Yo, Taylor, what is up? We are in Florida. Florida. And the weather is horrible. So we'll throw around this Bulenox account. I just got it 91% off. I do have this, so I've gotten three payouts on this account right here. I did take a hit on it. Actually, I might have took a hit on this Friday too. Uh, yeah, I did. Yeah, 1,200 bucks. Ended up stopping myself out, but yo, his Royal Trades, what is up? You're in St. Augustine? Nice. I am further south. First day trading since Wednesday. I was in Vegas, just got back yesterday. Oh, nice, Sherry. How was Vegas? You a gambler or I mean, or were we just out in Vegas? Most people go to Vegas, they gamble, but play the slots. I went to Vegas, I gambled on the roulette table and blackjack, and then I lost like 600 bucks, and then I was like, nah, heck with this. And I just went back to my room. The King Kong slot machines. Nice. Did you win any money? But you had a good time though. Yeah, I stayed at the Win. Stayed at the Win. It was nice. All right, market's open. No, that's a lie. I stayed at the Encore. It's the one next to the Win there. Market's open. Little gap down. Tiny. Maybe not so much, but a little push down. Offrey, what is up? Can you use Ninja with it? Um, with Bulanox? I'm not sure. Yeah, well, we can use Rhythmic, but I'm not sure with Ninja. Hey, 857s. So the market just basically V bottomed Friday. Came down about noontime reversal and then just popped right up and V bottom and then just trended the rest of the day. So it'll be interesting to see if we actually get a little pullback, um, kind of take back some of this weak buying, being it was like that triple witching or whatever it's called. It'd be interesting. Swept the midnight open perfectly and up the rest of the day. Oh, nice. It's royal. Yeah, it was exactly. I broke even in my take profit trader account, which was I got a little lucky to be honest. I did get caught in some of this mess through here, and then right at the end of the day, I ended up getting some of it back and pretty much just broke even. So that 150K pro account, I got it up to around like I think like 3,500 bucks. So still grinding that, trying to get those daily payouts. Right, if 854s. Watch the midnight opens, 12 a.m. Eastern, magnet for the price, and Q trace it to New York 65 cents at the time. Oh, that's cool. That's good. I like that stat. It's good to know. Thanks, man. Look for Coach Dakota. Is this the place? No, definitely not. All right, let's see if we can get a push down. Real funded here, folks. That's right. Oh yeah, no, he's on a warpath again. I got nothing against Dakota, but it's like the dude, like you're an affiliate with Top Step. No matter what you say about affiliates, you are an affiliate. You're an employee, but you're not like an affiliate with Top Step. Like that's what you do. Like, right? Big rejection there. Still pushing down. Get busted hedging accounts. Yeah. Boy, a lot of people do it, John. I see a lot of people doing that, like on as far as YouTubers and stuff. Man. Yo, Mango, what is up? You using the 15-second chart? I think Coach Fred used to use the 15-second chart, didn't you? Or you might still use 15 second. A lot of people aren't the poster boy for Top Step bragging made for 50,000. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure he's a good I'm pretty sure he's a good trader, but like wow, we are really flushing. Yeah, we're just gonna take back that weak buying. I have a feeling. Should have just jumped in. Hope you had a good yeah. Have a great good weekend. Hope we're gonna have a good week. I'm down here in Florida on the beach. I'm actually on the ocean on the beach front. I can see the beach from here. I think if I try to stream tomorrow, I gotta try to. The weather's really crappy right now, so I was gonna try to spin my stream around so I can see the beach. But down near Fort Lauderdale, kind of close, Kanger. Nice. Hopefully the sun comes out though, Kanger. I'm going back north. It's nicer up there right now. Not as warm though. Still warm out here. Yeah, hopefully this week it's hopefully get some good weather. A little no fishing, no. No. And Q has four big order blocks to go through to even get considered a negative pullback. Well, it's going so far. We'll see. But yeah, just kind of taking back some of this weak buying at this point. I felt like pushing the button there, but Deerfield Beach area. I'm actually, yeah, I'm not. I don't know where Deerfield Beach. Oh, really? New? It's rain. Yeah, so Maine's in a drought. Maine's in a south of there. Yeah, Maine's in a wicked rain drought. Wells are going dry and everything. It's kind of crazy. Girlfriend just got back from Portland. She loved it. Great food scene. Yeah, actually, it's a surprising good food scene there. Yeah, people don't realize how good of a food scene. It's like a little foodie city. Super chill. Just a great place. Yeah, people usually don't want to leave, but it's tough to make a decent living in Maine. It's not like super high paying jobs or anything like that. You know, most people that make good money in Maine are self-employed. Push it down here, 836.50. Gold today Uno reverse right now. Let's take a look at gold, actually. I'm gonna Let's take a look at gold. Oh yeah. Look at those buying tails in gold and double tops. Wait, it's a little wacky. Put in equal lows and then like relative equal highs on those two 5-minute candles. Just choppy, choppy, choppy. Oh, nice, John. JB's on the beach. Yeah, right now it's just it's thunderstorm. It's nasty. Ooh, still pushing down. Yo, Corey the film trader in the house. What is up? What is up? What is going on? Let's see here. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. We will do a giveaway later in the stream. Make sure that's working. Yeah, it should be working. Any size Apex account, we'll do a giveaway. Those that won the Tradeifys, I have not gotten the email back yet. So yeah, there we go. It's working. Yeah, so I'm only streaming on one right now. I'm not doing the dual stream stuff at the moment. I might do it later, but like tomorrow or something. Darwin, what is going on? Still pushing down here, 830s. Donna in the house. What is up? Yo, Toy, what is up? What's going on? Now they got more people in here. I hope you guys had a good Friday. Last Friday. I hope you guys made some money. First inside bar did not work on Friday. Once again. Yeah, I'm traveling, Dawid. Yep. Didn't work the whole week, I don't think. I don't remember. I think it was a tough week for it for sure. Week before that was 4 out of 5. Um, But yeah, possibly a tough week, Squanto, with that whole rollover, new contracts, all that garbage. So we'll see. Possible bounce here, yeah. Kind of thinking possibly. Could have, should have went long on gold. What's gold doing? Yeah, starting to try to break out here. Heading back to that all-time highs, 37.44s. Yeah, there is some juicy wicks down there. Definitely some room to the downside. Resistance to the order block, yeah. Short 65.5. Nice. You caught the top. Why didn't you tell me then, Squanto? How am I supposed to get in now? I'm just kidding. Short 85, 851. Nice. Yeah, that's a good entry. It's that big rejection there. Don't I need to fill my shorts? John. Made 87 bucks. Let's go. I actually was holding a short overnight or over the weekend. I just closed it out. 455. 455 bucks. Probably can't see it, but I don't think my camera's that good. I was holding it. Swing trade. Let's go, Rashad. Yeah, Fuel Knox, $15.75. Using code PINE. I appreciate that. Yeah, I got one going right now too. Actually, I just noticed I was still on my master account there, but thanks, Rashad. Appreciate you. Yeah, I appreciate that. So we could get some more room to the downside here, I believe. Love them swing trades. I know, Dawid. It's a little nerve-wracking sometimes, but you get some crazy nor'easters, correct? Yeah, we do, John. But Portland's pretty mild compared to the rest of the state. I mean, they get dumped on, but because it's so close to the coast, it stays a little bit milder than say like where I am up in central Maine. I'm about an hour and a half, about an hour and a half north of Portland. So, oh, for the summer, it's great. As long as we don't get, as long as we don't get the Oh yeah, no, we get hurricanes and stuff up there, John, sometimes, but I mean, there was one summer it rained all freaking summer. All right, we're getting a little bounce here. 827s. Still haven't entered the, excuse me, entered the trade yet. Exclamation point pine, let's go. Yeah, we'll do a giveaway at the end, towards the end of the stream. But yeah, it's beautiful up there. Yeah, yeah, Florida in the winter for sure. Yeah, I mean it was 32 degrees, I think. I think that's what my dad texted me this morning. Yeah, it's 32 degrees last night, so it's already starting to cool down up there. All right, trying to bounce here. This could be a little dead cat bounce. Could actually keep pushing down lower. No inside bars right now. Was a little harami here, but I still feel like we have room to the downside. But who knows? Yo, what is up, Tyler? It's good. My weekend's good. Liking the candle colors, Royal Q. Yeah, I just highlighted them. I was having trouble kind of seeing them on my computer, so I just changed the outline of the candles so I could see it a little better. It's fall colors. Down to 4,800. That's a possibility. Yeah, we could push down there for sure. Um, but yeah, we are sitting right at this resistance. I mean, it sat right here for a long time on Friday before it decided to rip everyone's face off for power hour. Basically, all the shorts are covering, and then just pushed right up. So shameless new highs. I know Hitchman. Our design. Hey Hitchman, what's up? I'm still waiting on that Tradeify. I haven't gotten an email yet. Hopefully I get an email tomorrow. Hoping. Being the weekend and stuff, sometimes those guys don't get back to you. The old blue martini. All right. Break even on the runner, Coach Fred. Nice. You guys are all short too, huh? You long, Peter. Good luck. It's not a bad spot. Yo, Nat Baba. Short for 57. Let's go. A short got liquidated. That's why we squeezed higher. Yeah, I would definitely Dow it for sure. It's exactly what happened on Friday afternoon. I ended up making some more money or getting some money back. Basically, I was down and we started to squeeze at the end. I ended up getting in long and got some money back, so which was sweet. Yeah, John, it was tough. It sucked. Like I shouldn't have been trading, but like I hate trading Friday afternoon, but you know, I wasn't tilting or anything like that. I was just like, well, if I see something, and we started pushing higher, get that squeeze going on. I go, yeah, we're squeezing. So Patriots lost today. The news is bad, but I have a feeling yeah, I know that, Baba, for sure. Smash that like button. Exclamation point pine in the chat too. We will do a giveaway a little bit later in the stream. Right around 7:45 or so. I end at 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's when I end, Mitchell. Yep. All right, getting a little bounce here. Nice, Dawood. Yo, Joyce, what is up? Any size Apex account I got to give away. If you guys want to join the giveaway, we'll do a moose race later. I hope the moose race will run on my computer. So I was gonna bring my little mini PC, but then it was I don't know. I was getting frustrated with it, so trying to get these little portable monitors on there, and the scaling was all off, and I don't know. I was getting frustrated, so I got my old laptop. Hopefully, it's gonna do the trick this week, and then I got a portable monitor for the chat and Streamlabs, things like that. Dumb exit on the last contract, Coach Fred. Yeah, I seem to always mismanage the runners. I did make some money today, Roberto. Yeah, I left a little swing short on a personal account. A little 455 bucks. Not bad. But so far I haven't taken a trade to on this eval yet. Gold all-time highs? Possible, Carlos. Yeah. I was just looking like, man, it is just it's heading for it. We at 744s all-time high. It's not that far off. I think we could get there. Rejecting off the VWAP. 842s. Kind of put in a little bear flag here. So far, we'll see. That Baba. Thinking thinking short. Hey Zaid, what is up? Yeah, I'm traveling. This is one of those AI backgrounds, pretty good, All right, it's rejecting off the VWAP. I don't know. Pretty good movement so far tonight. It's a nice little range we got going. Short-term bullish, it seems. Yeah, possibly. I think if we do break down below 836 or something, I might try a short. Maybe 835. We get a nice close below. Could possibly be an inside bar here. Yeah, very much bear flag in the five. That's what I was kind of looking at. Peter, yeah, for sure. You long gold? Let's take a look at gold again. Is gold still mooning? Still trying to push up? It could go. Gold looking real bullish. What's silver doing? Silver's been crazy to trade. Yeah, very bear flaggish at the moment, but man, it's seems bullish. Still pushing up. No inside bars yet. Be an interesting week. Let's see if first inside bar works again. Don't know. Last week wasn't so good. Week before that it was great. 4 out of 5. Last week I don't remember. It wasn't good though. I know Thursday and Friday it lost. Yo, Yoda, what is up? Yeah, I almost have to intraday trailing. I know. That's the thing. It's good to trail these stops. As new traders, intraday trailing. What I like to do is, like Fred, is kind of like trail my stop. Um, it's tough to leave runners. If you do, it's like you gotta trail it if you're trading with any size. If you're trading small, then it's not as important. But yo, Trader 007, what is up? Exclamation point pie in the chat. We're gonna give away any size Apex account that you choose. 13 points. Nice. That's great, Fred. Go walk the dog now. Yeah, it's a good idea. Go touch some grass. Boy, it's kind of sucks sitting down and trading. I miss my standing desk already. Nate called it out in the chat. Nate said it's a good place to long right here, and possibly, and he was right. Hopefully, you took that trade, Nate. The ticket is for any size Apex account. But you got to remember to hit the smash that like button. That's right, Feline Futures. 850's here. Sounds like some Nintendo music going on. I got some YouTube free music, supposedly, hopefully. The more Asian trades for me, I can't lose my account before Monday, New York Open, Nate. Yeah, I hear you. Nice call out though. That was a good one. Like literally as you said it, it bounced and she going. And it was a pretty. Let's see if I can draw a box. How do I draw a box? How am I supposed to be $1 million trader if I don't know how to draw boxes? Box. Beautiful box there. Bounce right off the top of these bodies of this order block and bounced. Think we sell from here? We could. Market was bullish towards the end of the day. Well, pretty much since the retest of the midnight open from Thursday, according to his rolled trades, and then ended up bouncing V bottom bounce here, and then took off. So, like design says, we're going all time highs again. Fair VAT turned to IFVG. Yeah, I had that happen to me once. They gave me penicillin. I had the FVG and it turned into IFVG, and then yeah, they had to give me antibiotics. It is. It's the worst. But we could pull down here. I gotta turn the AC down. I'll be right back. It's freezing. There's a, I think there's a FEG in 15 time frames stretching. Yeah, possibly. Yeah. Damn, I don't make counts on them. Fuse again, edge counts. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So many people, yeah, get caught doing that. I think you'll find that, people that are everyone using or Project X and stuff, all the companies, they're gonna start watching for that, hedging between accounts. Yo, Kato, what is up? Doing great. Hope you guys are doing good. All right, we could get a little pullback here. Tough to short into the VWAP though, but massive long on the gold. Let's take a look at the gold again. Oh yeah, nice bull flag. Perhaps it might go. It's a trigger software for util. Oh really? That Baba? I kind of find it the opposite with me, just because I can just lock myself out. Yeah, the nice thing, because I'll just put in those risk parameters on my funded accounts. Goes always sideways. Well, yeah, till about 9, 10 o'clock, right? You don't think so? Maybe not. I don't know. Past few nights, past week, gold's really moving straight up on Friday. Holy cow. Mere Dad, thank you so much. Oh, because it's Sunday, yeah. For some reason, I left trades on funding ticks they held over the weekend. Oh, they on an eval, or I guess if it's an eval, I mean, it's not the end of the world, but oh, cool. Yeah, I mean, as far as I know, they don't allow swing trading, but maybe, maybe it will go unnoticed. Can you switch from TradeAvate to TradingView if you have a Take Profit Trader account already? I think you can, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm sure someone in the chat knows. I've never used TradingView before, but I think you can. Sundays became easy money. Yeah. Huh, that's weird, Zaid. On Project X on TradeAway. Oh, weird. Just link your TradeAway credits credentials to TradingView, Yoda says. Thank you, Yoda. You ain't complaining? No. No, I just like if it was like a funded account and then you reached a payout, it could be grounds to deny your payout or something, but with an eval, it should be okay. Should be, I don't know, but most of these companies don't pay much attention to evals anymore. You'll have to enable TradingView add-on in TradeAway before linking it. All right, cool. Thank you, Yoda. You long gold, 722, 5 minis. Good luck. Let's take a look at gold. Gold wanting to pull back here. Nasdaq pushing up higher. Oh yeah, gold's really pulling back here. Well, it's testing that VWAP. Nasdaq's due for a pullback. Boy, kind of are. I mean, if you look at the daily, it's just insane. But it's one of those things where you kind of just got to go with the bulls for now, right? I mean, the daily chart is absolutely insane. Looking at the weekly chart, so bullish. Top of the hour here in about 10 minutes. Looking to get out 728. It is hard to get long at these levels, yeah. I mean, I'm a scalper for the most part, so it's not, life or death if I go long or short. But I mean, for the most part, it's been easier to look for longs lately than shorts. Shorts are usually short-lived. See money, take money type deal. Every short seems to get bought right back up. Um, I'm actually gonna long here. It's on a Velanox eval. $15.75. If you want to use code PINE, 91% off. Really can't beat it. I mean, I generally try to smash it past these, but I'm a little tired, so it's like it's hard to just go full port right now. I'm traveling all day, so can't trade intraday. Yeah, I don't mind intraday. Honestly, they like for me personally, I've had by most payouts and from intraday accounts, but generally it's like what I kind of like to do is just get them over the buffer, and then it's essentially static anyway, right? So if I get a 50K up over the buffer or 25K up over the buffer, even on a well on a funded account, then it's static. So I just don't really look at it that way. Never tried it, but he would think it would ruin you. But yeah, I mean, kind of depends on your style. I mean, if you trade, if you're kind of an intraday swing trader, it's hard, especially when you're, you know, trading with size. Because, you know, you say you're one mini in, two minis in, and it goes 100 points in your favor, and then comes back, I mean, you're done. If it comes back to your entry, it sucks. I mean, end of day accounts are better, but I don't necessarily mind intraday trailing. Goals battling at the VWAP. I don't even know. Always long, that Bubba. I know. Always long. Always long. Yo, Cranston White, what is up? Intraday's bitch. Trying to get some stacks. Yeah. I mean, the night. I mean, the intraday accounts, the evals are always cheaper, right? The evals are cheaper with a higher activation fee usually, and then end day accounts usually all in costs are more money. It's usually the way that the props do it. But yeah, I don't really do many collabs right now on the ground, to be honest with you. I just got a lot going on, you know, kind of behind the scenes. Yeah, Ethan, I am. Where in the world is Pine Tree Trader? That's gonna be the new game. We're up about $5, but I mean 5 points, not $5. $5. We're up about 5 points. I'm looking for a little more. Maybe we take out the high here. Stop down below the VWAP there. Yo, Chef Chris, what is up? Appreciate that. Underground. Climb back to 37 on gold. Perhaps, yeah. Let's check it out. See if we hold that VWAP, the old gold. Kind of like that gold bounce, VWAP bounce, perhaps. There it is. Who would I sound like? Long off the VWAP. There it is. Take it off. Take it off. Long. Did you guys get that? Did you guys catch that? Did you guys catch that? Did you guys catch that 2 points? Josh knows what I'm talking about. What's up, Josh? Nice, Carlos. Sweet. Just blew 6-5 on 2 point trade. Nice, Josh. Chilling. All right, we'll see if we keep grinding up here. Hopefully, it's not rolling over. Just putting in the rainbow. But as long as we're above this VWAP here, we should be in good shape. Not uncommon for it to pull back the last just before Asia Open, and then the last hour before Asia, and just chop that VWAP for an hour. So hopefully we don't get that. Not a bad range. I mean, considering the Globex Open, we got what 866 to 827. Not horrible to start. Up 57 cents. Let's go. All right, stuck here right around 850s, right at our entry. See if we can go back and fill that. Who knows? Take a look at the old heat map just for the fun of it. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. I'm gonna give away any size Apex account. So a whole lot on the order book. A little bit of size up there, 855s, 22 lots. Nothing crazy. Moose knuckles to yes, right, Tyler. That's right. You gotta remember to scroll down and keep buying stupid wealth charts. I've never used wealth charts. Yeah, I know someone, one of my subscribers, I can't remember which one, likes them a lot, but yeah, I've never used them. All right, we are just chopping sideways. As soon as I enter here, we've gone sideways. Did anyone use wealth charts and like it? Kangen 8 water system. Kangen 8. What is that? Like a water filtration system? Oh yeah, I see. Water filtration system. Oh nice. Yeah. 6,500 bucks. Wow. Yeah, I bought well, I have a reverse osmosis system. Um, and then for my drinking water, that's and then hooked to that, I made my own filter system for my water, and it's like because I have such hard water and it's full of iron, so I have like eight whole house filters. Like I built my own system. I tested it. It was fine. It's okay, but yeah, I probably could use an upgrade. Hey guys, look, it's going up. I know. It is napping, yeah. I know Guyver. Yeah, no, yeah, exactly. No, I just it's pretty cool system. Yeah, I didn't have any when I was doing it, I had $0. So, I had to do something because I had brand new appliances and everything in my house. So I was like, I gotta do something about this water. So I just started researching, building my own filters, things like that. Save money in the next 10 years, I know. It's crazy. My grandparents, I remember they just would drink right out of the tap, no matter where they were. They just drank right out of the tap. It's probably why they're dead now, but no, no, but yeah, it's like they just always. The only water system in Hawaii. Oh, really? Nice. Yeah, I just remember my grandmother always just kept a glass right next to the sink and just, drink right out of the sink. My father lives in that same house and it's always bottled water and everything else. But yeah, right now I was saying earlier that Maine was in a bit of a drought, so they um the some of the wells and stuff are going dry or being threatened to run dry. It hasn't rained all summer. Right, yeah, Josh, for sure. $5 a day on bottled water. It really does add up. All right, chopping sideways. Hopefully we hold this VWAP here. If not, we'll get stopped out. But so we got a little bounce off the VWAP here, pushed up, and then put in this hammer, and then pushed up again. That's when I ended up going in long. I'm hoping that we'd push up through the high, this wick here, but so far not working. That's okay. Not working yet. Yeah, 2000 a year, right? Really does add up. Oof, snap Baba. 4:30 in the morning where you're at. Damn. I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you hanging out. Oh, getting a little bounce off that VWAP now. 847s. See what gold's doing. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. We'll do a moose race. Yo, Rocky Trades, what's up? Gold, kind of bull flagging here. Bounce off the VWAP. Thinking NQ will go lower. It's possible, yeah. The old Patriots lost to the Steelers. I did get a haircut. Yo, Jeremy, what is up? Did I pack the moose hat? I do not have the moose hat. No. No. Should have. What's up, Methodical? Am I gonna be joining the poker at 8? I don't know. I think I'm gonna be sleeping. I'm tired. Travel days. How do I trade Asia? Not well. Leaking blob. I tried my best, but not well. Usually slinging around evals, things like that. Trying my best to get a good jump start for Monday. But no, different kind of poker. Just go 3 minis instead of one in Asia. It makes it a little more excited. Yeah, I could have added off that VWAP there, but I didn't. I actually put an inside bar there. failed big time. It is just chopping around. I don't know what to expect this week with the old inside bar. Keep trading it, right? It's kind of what you got to do with systematic trading. Keep trading it. It's not going to work every time. Sometimes you're going to go on losing streaks. All right, back to our entry here. Has someone invented water filtrations for the beach, for the ocean water? So drought won't affect Maine? Oh, I'm sure they could, but there's uh big business in water. So they're not going to do that. It's big business in bottled water and things like that. Just like the guy that invented the car that ran on water, tap water. I don't want to go 0 day Django and conspiracy hour theory on that, but it's kind of a crazy story. Hey, Jonathan, yeah, traveling. I'm supposed to be in sunny Florida, but it's raining. It's nasty out. I do see sunshine over there though, on the horizon. Wow, that's a nice little pop there. Was that? Hmm. Thought maybe that was a. That's how we're gonna get. We're just gonna get this little 7 point, 8 point range. Yeah, cave trader. I'm sure. Yeah, but I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna sound like an idiot talking about, it, but I'm pretty sure like plastic is an oil-based product, so I'm not totally surprised. Did he end up missing? Like George Carlin said, it's a big old club and we're not in it. Gone sideways now. Terrible. Exclamation point pine in the chat, guys, if you want to join the giveaway. No, not John. No, not Miami. Further north, but pretty close. Do I know Mike Schwartz? I know of him. I know of his YouTube channel. He was on the My Funded Futures TV, I believe. Mike Schwartz. No life begins today. I haven't got any email yet. Let me check right now. Yeah, I was just telling Hitchman, the other one that won so far. I kind of expect it Monday, to be honest with you. Yeah, I expect him to be back in, hopefully back in the office Monday. But yeah, no, he hasn't responded to my texts. All right, back up. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow. Life begins today. Runnerbox says Yankees gonna be up break even by the end of the stream. That's happened a lot, right, Ethan? Yeah. I mean, those of you that are new to the stream or whatever, it's like I stream and for I trade this hour for the stream because it's kind of like the time slot that got the channel popular. So this is why we stream every night between 6 and 8 p.m. Um, but yeah, sometimes the market's good, sometimes the market's not. Kind of gonna get in early. Um, could have got in a little aggressive on the short there, but yeah, you could be right, Ethan. It hasn't moved, Fred. No. Oof, there's a pullback. Testing that VWAP again. Thank you, Jonathan. Yeah, this is why we do it. I think that's the key, with the channel or any channels is like being consistent with times, you know. I mean, that's key. All right, getting a little pullback here, 845s. Just trying to hold on to that VWAP. Testing your entries a few times, yeah. Yeah, Tiger's the man. Oh, that's kind of that's he's the one that I got the idea from, basically. Um, but normally he didn't stream. He didn't stream early. He usually streams around Asia Open, which was 8 p.m. Recently he's been streaming a little earlier, which is cool. But that's how I got the idea. Basically, it was like 0 Day Jay would stream, and um, like that off hours and things like that. And then I was just like maybe that's what I'll try to do. Stream those off hours. And then I see Tiger streaming at night, and he had pretty good viewership. So I was like, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give that a shot. So one day I just popped on it as soon as the market opened, and I've been here ever since. So 847s. Yeah, thank you, Mo bro. Oh really, Thumper? I just found out who that was the other day. Yo, Tom, what is up? Should buy one eval for only stream trading and see how it does. Yeah. I mean, I see other people doing that, but I do I know a few people have done that. It usually doesn't work out. Yeah, I could try doing something like that maybe. Stream 24/7, what's the problem? I know. Like I show speed. You guys know I show speed on YouTube. He's like a 20-year-old kid that has a massive following on YouTube, and he's been streaming 24 hours a day. And I just see Patrick Whelan donating to him, trying to get him to come to the BDH. Just kind of funny. Is he a crypto bro? I don't know. I think I don't know what he does. He's a runner. He's a fast runner, an athlete, but not a professional. I don't really know what his channel's about. But right now he's just traveling around the country, streaming 24 hours a day. So like I think he's got like 45 million subscribers. But yeah, crazy. So he's trying something, I think, for 35 days. He's just streaming 24 hours a day. And when he's sleeping and everything, he's got like this tour bus, and he's got this posse, his entourage follows him around. And yeah, it is crazy. And right, Ethan, yeah, exactly. Like everywhere he stops, there's like a mob. So it's like in Japan, you can see stream people sleep. Well, yeah, they do it here or somewhere. I've seen it, Jonathan. I know the sleep streams. Yeah, I've seen people doing that. That's nuts. No one wants to watch me sleep. I mean, I'm practically asleep right now. Look. Oh, really, Brandon? Yeah, I don't know nothing about him really. But yeah, I just see PW Patrick Whelan ended up tweeting something Guys, smash that like button for me. If you guys are joining the giveaway, I appreciate it. We'll do that giveaway in about 15 minutes. Any size Apex account that you want. So you can get to 300K, 250K, it doesn't really matter. Static account. Oh, market just went sideways. Just chopping. Like Ethan said, market probably end up closing right at break even as soon as the stream ends. Besides my favorite on Apex, I like 50Ks personally, but if you can get just because I mean the 250Ks and the 300Ks, such a pain to pass. But if you can pass them, then you get a lot of drawdown and you can just work them slow. But I do like the 50Ks. That's kind of like my personal favorites. And 150Ks. I actually got a lot of payouts with 150Ks as well. So yeah, the majority of payouts I've gotten with Apex are with 50s and 150s. Vanny 171, thank you so much for the sub. Oh yeah, it's all about branding. Yeah, it's 100% just about publicity. Um, having I think he had like 40,000 people watching him today, and then Patrick Whelan, donating $500 to the stream, and then saying come to the BDH. And if he does, it's just going to be huge. It's just a huge publicity stunt. Keith, what is up? Oh yeah, absolutely, Ethan, absolutely. Yeah, it would be huge. I mean, that'd be like, in our streaming world, in our little bubble, it'd be like me getting trades by Matt on my stream, or one of the big time streamers, or even Patrick or something, or going on their streams. I mean, they got huge followings, or Tory Trades, or someone, you just, you know, they can kind of like change a channel overnight. So getting one of the bank CEOs, yeah. Yeah, we are just in that range. We did hold that VWAP, 845s. Am I doing a big party at 5K subs? We'll definitely do definitely giveaway and stuff for sure. Get ICT on, yeah, right. That would bring a lot of people. I mean, you just put ICT in the title of your stream, and it's like it gets viewerships. Pine's inner circle. You can just put that in the title. Pine's in a circle. They probably get people clicking on it. Yeah, the Mr. Beast. Yeah, that is monster. People that just put Mr. Beast in the title get tons of views. I see Mr. Beast was hanging out with the banana ball people, banana baseball. That's really taken off in popularity. That's kind of a crazy success story. That's just growing and growing and growing, that banana ball. And then Mr. Beast was on there. Brandon Short, 838. I do wish you luck. I wish you luck because I am long. Thank you, Cap. Hey, Cap, I appreciate you, man. Hey, I do what I can. I mean, I just, I try to provide as much value to the community as I can. Um, you guys give back. I try to just give. I mean, I'm just like you guys. I'm just trying to figure out this game myself. I never claim to be the best trader in the world or whatever. I just trying to figure it out every single day. I love trading. I love this market. I love the community. I love talking about trading. I mean, I literally could talk about trading all day long. Talk about trading, talking about what I need to do as far as like my evaluations and funded accounts. Like, do I need to slow down? Like, this is stuff that goes through my brain all day long. Like, should I size down? Should I just step on the gas? Like, not trading well this week. Yeah, I just love talking about it to people. Yo, Lay, what is up? Yeah, I am stuck in the sideways action for sure. Probably just gonna chop. I'll probably either get out of a break even or it'll end up, hitting my stop just before the stream ends. That's usually what happens. I've done this where it's like literally I sat in this trade like all stream and it just chops sideways and then stops me out like right as I'm finishing my stream. That's usually what happens. Yeah, Chef Chris, I know. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Your friends, family, they don't know what you talk about. Luckily, my brother um has got back into trading a little bit again. So just a little bit. He's just dabbling. He's working on bots and things. But yeah. Nice, Lay. Just got home from work. Welcome. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you want to join the I'm giving away any size Apex account. If you guys want to participate, we'll do a moose race here in about 10 minutes or so. I'll start getting it fired up, hopefully. I am on my mobile setup, so I got my laptop, I got my portable monitor. Hopefully it all runs smoothly. Yeah, Thumper. So 25Ks, I do like 25Ks. I've actually gotten my largest payouts with 25K accounts. So yeah, I've talked about that before. Fast track trading. Got my largest payout with 25K accounts. Also with Take Profit Trader 25K accounts. My largest single day payouts was with them too. Um, Apex I've never have passed the 25K account, or I've never gotten a payout with 25K account with Apex. So, but I do like 25Ks. So yeah, I am a fan. Yeah, Apex has an activation fee. Yep. Yeah, Fiber Splice. Appreciate that. Yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah, having a community to hang and chill with. That's kind of why I started this channel. Of course, you can make some money being on YouTube and with affiliates and stuff. So that's always nice, a little extra side income as well. Um, but I just kind of was like hanging out in other people's streams all the time and just chatting. And I was just like, I like helping people. I like answering questions about prop firms or, for new traders and stuff. And then I was like, why don't I just do this on my own? And maybe I can like make a little money doing it as well. And that's exactly why I started. All right, we are still holding that VWAP. That's Jonathan, that's exactly what I did. So I was kind of thinking about it and then I had so much angst about it. I couldn't bring myself to do it because this, believe it or not, like talking, like doing all this stuff is very out of character. My family is still shocked every time they watch my streams that I do this, but But I literally did that. Just one morning, one morning I woke up and I said, yeah, I said, F it. I said, I'm just gonna do it. And I popped on the stream and started figuring it out that weekend. And at first I had no camera or microphone. I was using like a gaming headset that was really crappy, like a really crappy Turtle Beach headset. And I started recording videos and trying to make videos and learning how to edit them and all that stuff. And that's exactly what I did. I listened to some of those old videos. They're so crappy because I had no microphone. And then I started building and building and building. And then I was like, oh, I gotta get better equipment. But yeah, it's fun. Yeah, yeah, there's activation fee on Apex. Yeah, Beelanox next. In Apex, there's activation fees. They're shocked that I was stream panelist. I do got my beach shorts on, but doesn't look very nice out right now. It's getting dark too. But it's pretty sweet. This room's like a nice patio. I stand up for a minute. Nice patio. Can't open the door, but muggy out. Right back to the entry. Yeah, I know this is ridiculous. Extra base point pine in the chat. About 5 minutes. The old leg reveal. That's right. I did do calves yesterday, Zaid. So did some calves. 240 incoming. 240. Yeah, that's right. You can go to 240. It's not 237.25. We good. Click the like for the lucky moose. That's right. Give you cash back. Be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. And guess what? The market did not move. Yes. Room surface is actually feline. Food. Have I thought about doing that for one company during the day? I've thought about it, Ethan, but I kind of like just doing my own thing and then having the freedom of doing my own thing. Just, you've worked for someone your whole life. It's kind of sucks. Even though like this was, yeah, Ethan, even though it's a pretty good gig, I mean, it's not like I don't know. I still like the freedom. Where Terry's on the My Funded Future stream, she still has to be there every single day to do it. So it's a commitment. I'm to the point where I've trying my best to just be entrepreneurial and just be my own boss. But yeah. Yeah, exactly. Fireplace. Massages here in East End stream. That would be nice. But when I travel, my upper back and stuff kills me. The seats and stuff. I'm short. I'm a short guy, so the seats they don't fit me right in the airplanes. So like my head and everything, I'm always like hunched over. Hit the waking them out. This is slow to watch. I know it's terrible. It just hit my entry again. See if I can pull up. See if I can find my. There we go. Let's see. Moose race. I'll log in. All right, kind of last chance to enter the moose race, guys. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Yeah, it's almost moose knuckles times. That's right. That's right. Tyler, I come down to Florida and it's doing nothing but raining. What's up with that? It's supposed to be sunny Florida. Shorted some room service? Nice. Me too, actually. You're in the ocean. You're during this huge storm today. Yeah, it was pretty wild earlier. Trade is green, got it? I will leave it. For the stream. Get myself out of the misery. Sorry, we'll run it. I kind of like it. I'm just convincing myself. All right, I got Moose Knuckle in there. I'm gonna put myself in there. I'm gonna put myself in this race. Why not? I am up in Fort Lauderdale area, Tyler. He sounds nice though. Hopefully the weather gets better though. That's what I'm hoping. But it was 32 degrees in Maine this morning, so not complaining too much. All right, guys, last chance. Exclamation point pine in the chat. I'll give you guys one more minute. One more minute. And we're running the moose race. Actually, I was watching the Bears game, Rashad, just before started streaming. Yeah. Ethan told me to get out, but all right. So let me I'm gonna do this. All right. I need to go. Oops. Sorry. Fumbling a little bit. Got the all right. Streamlabs, close entries. Guys, we'll be doing giveaways all this week. So stay tuned. Please come back to the stream. Don't just love me for my giveaways. This is for any size Apex account. Thank you, Apex, for giving some accounts to give away. All right, guys, 120 people. Not too bad. All right, guys. Good luck. 3, 2, 1. See if my laptop even runs it. It's trying to run it. Let's go, Moose Knuckles. Let's go. Come on. Trigger G on the outside. Trolls it all. Pulling up to an early lead. You don't want to be in front to start. You don't want to be in front. Who's it going to be? Pietor. Will he take it? He might take it. Oh, no. Someone in the middle. Who is this? Oh, wow. I think I know who this is. Yeah, it's Jonathan. What's up? That's awesome. Congratulations. Let's see where Moose Knuckles was. See, Jonathan says I had the best stream going for the nighttime stream, so you know it's rigged. Oh, Moose Knuckle, there you are. 98. Oof. Oofta. Congratulations, Jonathan. Um, you gotta juice it up. Jonathan, are you in the Discord by chance? No Discord? All right, Jonathan. Just email me. If you could just email me and send me a screenshot of your YouTube or whatever, and yeah, send me a screenshot of your YouTube to let me know it's you, like your channel, like this. Send me like a screenshot of like your YouTube channel so I know it's you. And then send you Apex, any size Apex account. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna leave this trade going. So guys, give me a thumbs up on the stream. I really appreciate it. Um, I will be here all this week, even on my vacation. I will be here to hang out. I might not stream every night. I don't know. We'll see. But I will get streams in every day, at least at some points during the days or whatever. So, but yeah, the plan is to stream every night, just like usual. So, yeah, design. I'm in Florida. It's supposed to be warm. No, it's warm. It's just raining. Well, it stopped raining now, but it was raining all day. Oh, is the Discord open there, anyone? Yeah, it is. We put the Discord in the chat real quick. There you guys go. I'm actually on the beach. I'm on I think I'm near Pompano Beach. Pompano Beach. So I guess it's not quite Fort Lauderdale, but yeah, I get a nice view of the ocean, but so hopefully the weather's better. So I can go on the beach. I want to go to some tiki huts and get a drink. So there's Discord. It's in the chat there. If anyone can join, it's free. Go to Moxie's in Fort Lauderdale City. It's incredible. Oh, cool. Full transparency, I did have a mimosa. No, not a mimosa, a mojito. I had a mojito for lunch today, so and it was one of the best mojitos I've ever had. So oh, it was a while back. Dan Jones. It was hours ago. Just one. Hinge cart, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. Copper cup? No, it wasn't the copper cup. Yeah. Drink and trade just like Papa Gene. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, drinking and trading does not work out too too well for me. Papa Gene drinks Bud Heavies and full porch news. Yeah, I know that's hilarious. Papa Gene's pretty funny. I could definitely hang out with that guy. Hey Wayne, thank you so much. All right, cool. Thank you, Jonathan. Let me just double check that's you. And then I'm gonna rest up. All right, I got you. Cool, Jonathan. Yeah, I'll send you a code and then send you a code and then you can just use it at checkout. I believe that's how it works. You just use it at checkout and it should work. Any size Apex account. I'll do that as soon as I hop off. Today we go down for breakfast. Yes, two fried questions. That's perfect breakfast, Tyler. That's funny. Yo, liquid breakfast, huh? We used to call those steak in a can. So the old Bud Heavy is steak in a can. Do I know if there's a time limit you can use it? I don't know, Jonathan. I'm not sure. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it there. Good luck tonight. I'm gonna leave this trade on. We stopped at 837.25. Take profit 859.75. My entries right around 850. But yeah, I'm kind of exhausted. Just traveling all day, so I'm gonna end it right here. Um, but yeah, stay tuned. Tyler, that's funny. But yeah, so we will be here all this week, and we'll give away some more accounts too. And good luck trading tomorrow, guys. It is Monday, so let's start off the week good and not do anything dumb. So tilty Mondays and tilty Fridays are never good. So tilt at any time is never good, but you know what I mean. All right, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and smash that like button and please use code PINE. Fuel Knox 91% off. Use code PINE for Apex. Take Profit Trader. My Funded Futures, more importantly. Um, use that My Funded Futures code. Help me keep that code around. Appreciate that. And Tradeify, all the good stuff. Pretty much any prop that you can think of. Try code PINE. And if you'd like to help support this channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. See you guys. Thank you. Good stream. See you, Fred. Thanks, guys.